Hi and welcome. Today I'm cleaning the grout lines in between my tiles using products that are nice and gentle and completely avoiding any harsh chemicals. This is the ultimate test for this cleaning technique because the grout in here is white. White grout is literally the most unforgiving grout ever. It shows up any dirt or stains and it'll give you guys a true picture as to whether or not this works, and definitely more so than if I was testing this out on grey or black grout, which I think is far more forgiving and makes any product look good. Here you can see the colour that the grout should actually be, and then moving down you'll see that there's some real discoloration in certain areas. So this bit here is gold. If I can get it back to anywhere near this, I will be absolutely thrilled. There's quite a lot of grout discoloration up here near the shower. There's a slightly larger stain up here that's come from one of my hair products, but shh, don't tell my fiance because I will deny all knowledge. Over here in front of the vanity, it's really pretty stained up. Again, you can see the colour difference in the lines, so I'm going to work on the whole floor and try to get it looking the same. Here is everything that I'm going to be using today. I have a big bowl which comes in really useful because this mixture does fizz up a little bit and it can get a bit messy. I have a microfiber cloth. I have a really narrow scouring brush which is great just for gently scrubbing those grout lines. I have some baking soda, also known as bicarbonate of soda. I have a bottle of standard white vinegar. I've got some lemon juice. I've got a squirty bottle and a measuring jug. I've put 4 cups, which is approximately 1 litre of water into this bowl. Now I'm going to add about half a cup of baking soda to the water. Followed by a quarter of a cup, which is around about 60 ml of white vinegar. And finally a third of a cup, which is roughly 80 ml of lemon juice. And I'm going to stir that around so the baking soda doesn't rest on the bottom. Next, I'm going to pour this into my squirty bottle. So this is what I'm going to use. I ran downstairs to get a spoon and then I realised that I needed a teaspoon. It'll all make sense in a moment. I spray a very generous amount of the liquid along the grout lines so that there's a small pool along the lines. And then I go ahead and sprinkle the baking soda over the top of the mixture. You don't have to use a spoon if you don't want to. You can just pour it on liberally, but I didn't have a very big tub of baking soda, so I wanted to spread it out nice and evenly, and I just wanted to avoid running out partway through. Adding the baking soda over the mixture will also help create a thicker paste, and it's really good for scrubbing, a little bit like extra exfoliation for your grout lines. I go ahead and spray all of the grout lines in the ensuite. I then sprinkle a little bit of baking soda over the top. On the more discoloured areas, I sprayed a little bit more of the mixture over the baking soda and then squished the paste down with my spoon just to really get it in there. The lemon just makes the paste smell really nice, and I for one am all about it. One tip about this is that you should really start furthest away from your door and then work back towards your door so that you don't have to walk back over all of the tiles while they're soaking. I only realised this when I was about halfway done. Also, don't wear your slippers. I don't know what I was thinking, so I went and changed into my flip-flops. mixture to soak for around about 15 minutes, and then I go back in with this thin scouring brush and my microfiber cloth. The baking soda makes the mixture paste much more abrasive, so I just go ahead and scrub it gently as not to damage or loosen any of the grout. Then once I'm happy with the result, I wipe the mixture away with the microfiber cloth. I'm just going to go ahead and clean all of the grout lines in the room. While I'm doing this, I just wanted to take the opportunity to say that if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then make sure that you do. As well as my cleaning hacks videos, I post whole house clean with me's, organising videos, and I do that every single week. So I would absolutely love to have you clean along with me. On top of this, we are almost done with a home remodel, and I will be doing a whole house tour very soon. Also, you can check me out on Instagram and my other socials too. All of the details are in the description box below. Now that we're done with the entire room, there will be some baking soda paste left over. My steam cleaner is currently broken. Well, actually it's been broken for about a year now, but never mind. So I will be going old school and using my trusty mop and bucket. I'm just using hot soapy water to get rid of the paste residue. You will have to go over this a few times before the paste is completely gone. And this is the finished result. The real challenge was the hair product stain over by the shower. It hasn't totally got rid of it, but it's definitely faded the stain. This technique does take a little bit of time and effort, but I'm really happy with the results, and I'm really happy also that I wasn't breathing in any harsh chemicals. I think that the grout lines are definitely brighter, especially from above. Over by the vanity, I've certainly seen a big improvement. Here I've put a quick before shot. The discoloration has faded significantly. I may literally do this very small area again just to see if I can brighten it further, but not today. I'll need to go in again with the mop and cleaning gel to remove some slight watermarks on the tiles, but that was because I used the hot soapy water. Thanks for choosing my video to watch today. I post cleaning and organising videos every Wednesday and Sunday, and I would love it if you'd hit that subscribe button, and we can do this every single week. If you've liked this video and it's been useful for you, then don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!